Papis!
Maximus.
Yeah, so I was telling you about DMT last night. It's also called the spirit molecule.
Really?
And it's also found in your brain and shit. It's
actually... What the fuck was that?
Who the hell's at the door this hour?
What time is it?
It's fucking 11:19.
Ding dong! Go there. What are you doing?
Hey guys. I guess I went a little too far this time and my roommate kicked me out until the end of the semester.
Semester, huh?
Yeah. I was wondering if maybe stay here with you guys for a little bit.
I mean... Just one moment. Please? So what do you think?
No.
Why not?
No.
Dude, he's like in his bathrobe or some shit.
Dude, I don't care. Do you see the size of his stomach? He's gonna eat all the food.
That's prejudice, dude.
That's not prejudice. It's the wrong use of the fucking word.
Whatever. He got like kicked out the rest of the semester.
I don't care. You know how much he fucking breaks stuff too. Your chair, your desk, 2 of my lamps, and a bunch of other shit.
Accidents happen. It's normal.
No, never.
Guys, you have no idea how happy I am that you guys changed your mind and letting me stay here for a little bit. You don't understand how much it means to me.
Well, I'm glad we helped Dakota.
No, thank you so much. Just gonna kick my shoes off and we can get down to having some fun. Friday night, we're gonna have some fun.
Dude,
Dr. McGillicuddy's.
it's midnight, man.
Yeah, but it's apple pie. Don't even worry about it.
I got classes like 6 in the morning.
Wait, it's Hanjin, right? Don't worry about it. Oh my god, we got that weird. This is so great. Oh my god, this stuff's really good. Have you tried this in a while? Oh my god, here, have one.
Quit hogging all the hot water.
There's a thunderstorm.
No, it's not!
Listen, I heard it. I can't sleep with a thunderstorm going on outside.
You can't. You fucking psychopath. Get out of my room.
No, please, can I just sleep in here for
No!
tonight? But the thunderstorm's gonna get me.
No, it's not!
I can't sleep in here, man.
No,
Please, don't do this to me.
Oh.
Hey guys, what's going on? How's it sleep? I slept fucking great. So what do you got to eat in this shithole? You know what? I'm your visitor. I'm staying here. It's your roof. Let me cook you something. I'm gonna cook you the legendary Dakota Cox Zamboni breakfast bowl. First off, I'm gonna need a few ingredients from your refrigerator here. First, big ass bowl. Then, a big chunk of raw meat in the bowl. Then, you're gonna want to need to get yourself an egg. You crack that in there. You don't even need to really take this, just put the shell in there too. One final ingredient. 1 metric fuck ton of Eggos. Okay, And now here's the final part. Really important. Put it in the microwave for 0.5 seconds. Done. You guys ready for some of this? This stuff is really good. You see it all in here? One more thing, Jesse. One more thing I have to do and blame on you, and then I'll be the best friend. He'll kick you out, and then Leonardo DiPietro will be mine.
What the fuck are you doing? Dakota!
I'm not in here.
Yeah, you fucking are.
No,
I
I'm not.
see you.
No, you don't.
Dakota, get the hell out of my fucking room.
I'm not in your room.
Fucking kill you! Ah! Dude, what's up? We need to talk. About what? What do you think? I have no idea. It's fucking Dakota. Why? Do you know what he's been doing? No, what? First off, threw alcohol in my face. He asked. He got in the shower with me. He said you got in the shower with him. He was in my fucking room while I was trying to sleep saying God knows what. That's kind of creepy. I can't fucking take it anymore. Well, it's not that much longer. Not that much longer? It's been one fucking night! We'll talk to him. I'm sure we can come to a peaceful agreement. Peaceful? Yeah. Either he's going, or I'm going. Don't do that. Don't be that way. What do you mean don't be that way? Are you fucking kidding me? Do you know what we're dealing with? I didn't even want him in here in the first place!
Now it all comes together. It all makes perfect sense now.
That's why.
You've been cheating on me this whole time behind my back.
You see what I mean? You see what I fucking mean? You gonna kick him out yet?
What are you fucking talking about?
Don't fucking patronize me.
That's what I'm talking about.
Dakota, what are you doing in this room here?
I can go in any room in the house I fucking want to.
Fucking see? That's why he needs to get out of
You
here.
need to say that.
Calm down
You're
for a
gonna kick
second.
his motherfucking ass out, and I'm gonna move in here.
Dakota, don't fucking tell me what to do.
No, I'm your new best friend, so he's
That's
gonna get the
what
fuck
fucking
out.
in my room,
and
too.
I'm gonna live here.
ridiculous.
Don't fucking.
Stop it. Sure.
Get the fuck out.
Well, that's not right.